What do you reckon these are? These are currently trending as exploding yellow spiders. Amazing what you get to see if you don't spray any chemicals. Correct me on the pronunciation if it's incorrect. Arrhenius diatomatus, more commonly called European garden spider, cross orb weaver, diadem spider, orange, cross spider and crowned orb weaver. I first noticed these here during October 2022, an adult on a yarrow seed head, and I suspect these webs are more evidence of their activity. So it's taken them about 18 months to get established. There's so much biodiversity here, 5 or so years after stopping spraying chemicals. Want to see them exploding? Perhaps this is one of their nests. This clump of yellowing, browny cotton wool type stuff. Well, that's what I'm led to believe they do. They nest in these clumps. It seems they're all gone. Maybe lasted 2 or 3 days. I think this couple here and that one there are dead. Might of course be that the wee birds, the wren in particular and the robins, have come in and eaten them all. Although I don't think so. There were lots and lots and lots of them. There was a clump of them up here as well, and I can't see them anymore. Thanks Emil for watching. Good luck.